This is just a quick update on my Lego PCB mill that I'm building. It's currently running off Arduino, which is running GRBL. I'm driving the stepper motors with 3 easy drivers from SparkFun, and I've just got the axis working. This machine is set up so that it's got an x-axis which moves under a fixed gantry, the y-axis slides along the fixed gantry, and the z-axis moves up and down the y-axis. Because it's running GRBL, it's also capable of moving all 3 axes at one time.